In this video I will tell you how you can start a pet business and how you can create a website for that along with e-commerce functionality. So this is the website that we are going to build in this video. And there is a shop functionality as well where you can add products to sell. You can add PayPal and different payment gateways to take the payments from the customers. So we will use Bluehost for this. So for that you can go to the website. I will provide the link for the web hosting in the description. If you will purchase using that, I will receive a little bit of commission at no extra cost for you. That help me create these type of free videos for you. So to get the web hosting, you can go to the web hosting. Their pricing is starting from only $1.99. So you can scroll it and you can choose the plan. You are getting free SSL and free domain using this. So we can choose this basic plan, or we can also choose any advanced one. So we can choose the domain name later on. And here is the pricing. You can see we can remove these options because we don't need that. So pricing will be $35 for the whole year. If you are getting it for the first time, sometimes there is an offer going on, so you maybe get it for $23. So you can make the payment. Just continue to checkout, and here you can use your card information to make the order. So once you make the payment, you will be able to log into the dashboard, and here when you go to the hosting, here you will see the WordPress. If you don't see this thing, then you can just click on add site and you will see a website like this. So you can log into the website by just clicking on edit site. If you see insecure over here, which means that your SSL certificate is not configured or installed properly, for that you can watch my previous video. So let's go to the theme for us to get the theme. So here is the theme that we are going to use for the pet business. I will provide the link for this in the description as well. So it's for $69. You can purchase it. So when you will purchase the theme, you will get a zip file like this. You can extract it, and when you will open it, you will see two theme files. This is the parent theme and this one the child theme. So now you can go to the WordPress. So here we are in the WordPress. Here you can click on upload and you can upload both of these files one by one. So let's upload the parent one first. So here the theme is installed. We don't need to activate this one. We will again click on upload theme and we will upload the child theme now. Install now, and we will activate this one. So we will be using the child theme, which is inheriting the parent theme. So here is the purchase code that you need to enter that you got from the theme forest. So I can add this later on once I get it from the client. So here you can see I have activated the theme license using my purchase key. So once you do that, when you go to the appearance, here you will see this option install plugins. You can go to that, and here you will see some plugins. You can check mark all of them and you can install them. When you will click on apply, then the plugins will be installed one by one. So here you can see all of them are installed. We can return, and now we can check mark all and we can activate them. So all of the plugins are activated, and now we can just refresh. Here you can scroll, you can see now we have lots of more options. And now let's see the website. So here is how it is looking currently. We need to install the theme demo. For that we can hover over here, and here we will see Woof demo importer. We can open it, and here we can scroll. Here you can see two demos that we have available. So here is Woof demo, and here we have the e-commerce functionality as well. So here we can choose the e-commerce one. If you don't need the e-commerce feature, then you can install this one. So let's just click on import demo over here. Here you can scroll down and you can check mark all of these and click on continue and import, and here you can see it's being installed. It's importing the content of the demo. So once the demo is installed, our website will look exactly like the theme that I showed you in the start. So once that is done, we can edit the pages one by one, and we can insert the content, and we can change the images as per our own business. We can also upload our products that we want to sell, and we can set up the payment gateways. So we will see all of those steps one by one once it's installed. We will also set up our menus that show on the top, like we can add home, about, services, blog, shop, and different tabs on the top. We can also add different buttons for call to actions. Here you can see the demo is installed, and now we can view the website, and here you can see the menus and the complete website design that is imported using the theme. Now if we want to add our own content and we want to change the images, then we can go to this edit page option, or we can just click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. The slider is built with the Revolution slider plugin, so we will have to edit that using that. So here we can scroll, and if we want to change any text, we will just click on this pen button, and here we can change the title, and we will click on save changes, and here you can see that the title is changed. So that's how we can change any content that we want. Here you can see we will just update it, click on save changes, and then we can update the page changes. So that's how. And for images, we will click on this pen button on the images, and here we can remove this image and add a new image. To add new services or change these, we can just go to this services tab in the dashboard, and here we can edit them one by one. We can remove all of these and add new ones as well. So here is the title, the description, the images, and here is the icon. It's using the font awesome icon, and here we can change these images and text. And here in the counter we can click on this pen and we can change these text, 14 professionals and icon name. And here we have the testimonials that we can edit by just clicking on this pen button. Here we can change the text, the name, profession, image, and we can also change the gallery. And here we have this portfolio for the gallery. Then we have the team section, and here we have the team. We can add new members and remove these. Here we have a newsletter. We can also change these background images by just clicking on this pen button. Here we have the background image, and here we have the add options, so that we can manage from this adoption tab. Here we can remove any and edit any, and we can add new. And then we have this contact form. It currently says not found, so maybe we just need to reconfigure it. For that we can go to this contact form, and here we see the form. You can click on edit. Here we have this ID. We can update it, and you can see it now. And we can change these emails, social icons, and everything by just clicking on the pen button. We can click on update. Now let's visit the website. And similarly, you can edit any of these pages. You just need to click on the page that we want to edit. For about, we have two styles, so you can keep one and delete the other one. You can click on this edit with WP Bakery to edit this. For this shop page, you can see currently it says no products. matching the selection. So if you want to add any product that you want to sell, for that you can use products. So just go to all product, create new product, and here you can write the product name. Here we have the long description, and here we have the short description. This shows above and the long one shows below. So here we can write the price. Here we can add a product image. So let's choose this one, and then we have the product gallery. So this will show above and this one show below. And here we have the category. We can create new category like pet food. In one category we can add multiple products. Go to shop, and here you can see the product. You can open it, and here you see the short description, and here you see the long description. So anyone can click on add to cart, and they can view the cart, and here they see all the product that they have added in the cart. Then they will click on proceed to checkout, and here they can pay, and currently you see no payment method available. You can add a payment method by going to WooCommerce settings, go to payments, and here you can see PayPal, Stripe and different. So you can just click on PayPal, manage, and click on live, and here you can connect it with the PayPal. And once you just click on the connect with PayPal, you can log in to PayPal and connect, and this status will be changed to active, and then it will start showing over here, and user will be able to place the order, and you will receive the funds within your account directly. And now the final thing is that we need to set up these menus. So for that we can go to the website, go to appearance, go to menus, and here you see this menu that is currently showing. So we can just remove the pages that we don't need. So we can remove this thing, and we can change these names like this. You can remove this one. You can check the styles of the one, and you can see which one you want to use, and you can delete the other ones. So once you arrange them, you can just click on save menu, and the menus on the front will be updated. For now I have not updated them because I need all of the pages, so you can change them as you want. So now let's see if our website is showing to the visitors or not. So here you can see currently it says coming soon, so we can make it live if we want. Here you see status not secure, so just go to that, and here you can turn this off, and it's saved. Now let's view the page again and refresh. So here you can see that the store is now live. If you want to change the theme settings, you can scroll, and here you see the theme options. Just go to that, and here you see different theme options. So here you can complete the setting, like you can upload the logo and the preloader that shows when the page is loading. You see a loading screen, so you can change that. And here you see the address, the phone number and different things that show on the top, so you can change them as well. Page settings, and here you can change the header image. See this adoption page, like we go to the adoption gallery, and here you see this background image. So if you want to change that, you can change it over here, and similarly for the other pages you can change over here as well. For blog page you can go to this, and you see the page title and different things, so you can change them if you want. Translation, shop settings, so you can change the colors from here, which is very important. And typography, you can change the fonts. Social icons, footer option, footer is showing at the bottom here, so to edit it you can change this copyright thing. So this is showing over here, and if you go to the customize, you will see some more options like these widgets and different things, so you can explore them as well if you want. And here when you go to the widgets, you can edit these things. This is the logo, and you can open it. Here you can change the logo by adding the image link over here, and here you have the description and widget to contact details that are showing over here, and then the third one, which is this working schedule, and the fourth one, which is not showing currently, so you can add it if you want. So that's how you can set up a pet business website using Bluehost on WordPress. So that's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any question, and you can also contact me by visiting the description of the video, and you can check out my contact details, and you can contact me if you have any issue so my team can help you. So that's it for the video. See you next time.